Being a mom is hard. That goes without saying. But when your kids have food allergies to boot, you basically have to become a secret agent just to keep them safe. Hey, Carl, no! Contains milk. Sorry, buddy. Whether it's trying to monitor what they're eating at school, or taking them to a park where other kids have been wiping their grubby, dirty, unwashed, food-covered hands. Don't touch that yet. Or letting them go to a birthday party where the 4 horsemen of food allergens have gathered to bring doom upon your children.
Food fight!
Oh, hey, look, okay, wait, look, just put this on.
What? Mom, no!
Get in there and don't touch anything, okay? Needless to say, food allergies can bring undue stress into your family, unless, of course, you have access to questionably obtained government gadgets, in which case, it's still really hard. And while it can be a hassle to shop for each of my children individually to accommodate their different needs, I don't want my kids to grow up alone or isolated or scared of food or hungry. I want my kids to have the time to worry about more important things, like a Russian invasion. Hang on just a sec. Hey. That's why I subscribe to the Chef Free Club. It's a subscription service specifically made for kids with special diets to help them navigate the ins and outs of life safely, and so they don't have to settle for food that feels and tastes like it belongs in military rations or the garbage.
Can I spit this out?
Yeah, in the garbage, honey. And each box comes with recipe cards and a quality kid-friendly tool. Here you go, honey. You can run with that. Plus, all of the bonus activities teach your kids all the ins and outs of cooking while learning other cool stuff like math and art and how to crack a safe in under 2 minutes underwater.
Mom, can I come out yet?
Not yet, honey. All of Chef Free's recipes are free from the most common allergens, animal products, and artificial dyes. Plus, they work with or without gluten. Each box comes with a delicious sample ingredient or an allergy-friendly treat. Here you go, honey. Open up. Each month has a different cooking focus, so your kids can become the masters of, oh, this one says knife safety. Carl, stop running, now! Chef Free arrives every month at your doorstep with all the materials you need to improve your kids' relationship with food. Oh, thank you.
Could you disable your defense system?
And it's all done through fun and easy activities, so you can improve their relationship with you too if you've been gone for a week traveling overseas extorting an ambassador. And with Chef Free, you don't have to spend hours agonizing over new things to make your kids that they can eat. So even if you're busy, stop struggling. You still will have incredible, delicious food that your kids will love to make, like Disappearing Act donuts or Mexican pozole.
Saku katuna, lapsi assume.
Hey! Quero me sative, Tito, what?
And who knows? With some basic instruction and skill and new themes delivered to you every month, someday your kid might start cooking dinner for you. For once.
Mom, dinner's ready.
Oh, thanks, honey.
Can we go watch a movie after?
No.
I'll tell Dad you were torturing someone in the basement again.
We'll talk about it. Chef Free's 4-part mission is to help kids learn valuable skills in and outside the kitchen, battle anxieties by exploring new foods, join a supportive community of free-from eaters, and develop awareness of themselves, others, and how to share their voice. The 5th focus is to topple corrupt dictatorships, but we'll keep that on the down low. Nice job, Lizzie. Pew, pew, pew. Carl.
What?
That only works on food.
Oh.
So if you're ready for a subscription to a happier life, free from stress, and free from the familially imposed prison of a human hamster ball, then click on the link below for your subscription to Chef Free. Your family will thank you, and so will your government. Who's ready to eat?
Me.
Me too. Jane, no gadgets at the table. Kids.